In this video, we'll take a first look at Contentstack Studio, a modern, visual way to build and manage digital experiences. Contentstack Studio helps teams move faster while staying in control of their digital experience delivery. With Gen AI-powered build, we convert Figma designs into live components in minutes. Visual composition enables structured, drag-and-drop page creation with reusable components. And responsive visual delivery lets us build once and confidently preview and publish across devices. Here, we're using Gen AI within Figma to convert our design directly into a Contentstack-ready component. With a single export, Studio generates production-ready code that can be seamlessly merged into our project. Once exported, we use the provided CLI command to register the component inside our application. As you can see, the component is added to our components directory and becomes available within Contentstack Studio, significantly speeding up development. We just exported our hero with button component from Figma using Gen AI. Now let's see it in Contentstack Studio. On the visual canvas, we can simply drag and drop our registered hero component onto the existing row. Once placed, the content can be edited inline. Let's update the button text to learn more. The change appears instantly in preview, no publishing required. That's the power of visual composition and real-time editing. Now let's look at responsive visual delivery. I'll drag and drop another registered component onto the page and save the changes. From here, we can quickly toggle between viewports to see how the layout adapts across devices in real time. Once everything looks good, we publish and deploy the update, and within moments, the changes are live. This is how Studio enables faster, confident delivery cycles. Contentstack Studio combines Gen AI-powered build, visual composition with layers, and responsive delivery into one seamless experience. From design to deployment, teams can build faster, edit visually, and publish with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Contentstack Studio or need help with other Contentstack implementations, please contact us using the information on your screen.